Okay, guys, let's draw now our jack-o'-lantern as a part of our 3-character series. So to start off with him, we're going to draw the eyes and just do these 2 diagonal lines like he's angry. And then connect them with a rounded curve. And then what we're going to do is on the bottom of that curve, we're going to just add in this other curve. It's going to be the inside. And then color the larger part dark. And now, starting from the left, we're going to just go and create these jagged lines that go into a circle. Just like that. And then I'm going to start again from the same point, go down farther, and just create more jagged cuts for his mouth and then connect. Now, because the eyes have those shadows, let's do the same for these. And what I'm going to do is just to the left of each of these points, I'm going to draw a line, and that's going to make them look very much 3D. Same for the top. Just go from the left. If the angle gets too much, I'll go over and up. And there we go. Let's color the inside of that dark. Oh man, he's looking cool. Okay, now let's go to the bottom. The bottom is just going to be a rounded smile. And up on the top, go up a little higher and a frowny face. And then what we'll do is just curve over once on each side on the top and once on each side for the bottom. And then last time we'll do a curve that comes down all the way and connects the 2. Just like that. If you can draw the C shape, you can draw that. I'm going to do this leaf shape right up on the top. And then just a couple lines on each side and down the middle. And there you have it. All right, we have finished our jack-o'-lantern. If you haven't yet, click on and watch the how to draw the ghost and also the Reaper. And I hope you guys enjoy this Halloween 3-part series.